Hello, I'm Engineer Shahzad. Welcome to my channel, Project Management, a step-by-step guide. We will cover these topics one by one: project, program, portfolio, an example to explain project, program, and portfolio, project management, program management, portfolio management, organizational project management, OPM, project manager, program manager, Project Management Office PMO, and Project Management Office PMO Manager. Project. A project is a series of specific tasks that is completed in order to produce a specific outcome in a specified time frame. Program. A program is a process to manage and deliver the multiple related projects to improve performance and efficiency of an organization. Simply, a program is a set of similar projects that are managed together to obtain more benefits. Portfolio. The word portfolio means a group or a collection. Portfolio refers to work together with different projects, programs, and sub-portfolios for efficient management to achieve the goals of an organization. Here is an example to explain project, program, and portfolio. Let's there is one holding company working on different projects like road construction work, project A, electrical distribution works, project B, electrical distribution project C, and then a telecom project, project D, new Android app, project E, and a software upgrade, project F. The Electrical Distribution Works Project B and Electrical Distribution Works Project C both are similar, while the new Android app Project E and Software Upgrade Project F, these are also similar. Electrical distribution projects are managing by a program X. New Android app and software upgrade projects are managing by a program Y. Program Y and Telecom Project D both are managed by Sub-Portfolio Z. The Program X Electrical Projects, Project A Road Construction Works, and Sub-Portfolio Z. These all are managed by a portfolio. For more clarification, we will see this example again. As per arrows, Electrical Distribution Work Project B and Project C both are managed by a program X, while new Android app and software upgrade Project E and F are managed by program Y. Program Y and Telecom Project both are managed by a sub-portfolio Z. The Program X, Sub-Portfolio Z, and Road Construction Work Project A, these all are managed by portfolio. Let's continue with project management. Project management is a practice to determine the project scope and objectives. This practice is responsible for project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, control, and project closing to achieve its goal in a specified time frame. The next is program management. Program management is a practice to manage and deliver multiple similar projects under an umbrella to obtain more benefits for an organization. Next, we will see the definition of portfolio management. Portfolio management is a centralized practice to manage and deliver different projects, programs, and sub-portfolios for efficient management to achieve the goals of an organization. The operations of an organization can also be a part of portfolio management. Now we will define the managers. First one is project manager. Project manager is a professional who leads and overall responsible for the project. He makes planning, budget, procurement, execution, monitor, control, prepare reports, and finally close out the project. The next is program manager. A program manager is a professional who supervises the multiple similar projects and leads their project managers to increase the performance and efficiency of an organization. Next, we will see the role of portfolio manager. Portfolio manager is a professional who manages different projects, programs, sub-portfolios, and lead the project and program managers to achieve the goals of an organization. A portfolio manager plans, schedules, allocate resources for different projects and programs for their success and faster delivery. Now we will discuss the role of Project Management Office. Project Management Office (PMO) is a department within an organization that defines and maintains project standards. Project Management Office develops project management strategies, prepare all documents, responsible to train the project management staff, manage shared resources, and coordinates between multiple projects. Next is Project Management Office Manager. Project Management Office Manager is a professional within an organization who leads a professional team to define and maintain project standards, procedures, strategies, methodologies, and project documentation. We will see what is Organizational Project Management (OPM). Organizational project management refers to the systematic management of projects, programs, and portfolios within an organization for its strategic objectives. According to PMI, Organizational Project Management (OPM) is a strategy execution framework that utilizes portfolio, program, and project management as well as organizational enabling practices to consistently and predictably deliver organizational strategy to produce better performance, better results, and a sustainable competitive advantage. So finally, a brief overview of all previously defined terms. Project is a temporary endeavor. A program is a set of similar projects. A portfolio is a set of different projects, programs, and sub-portfolios. Project management is a practice to manage a single project. Program management deals with multiple similar projects. Portfolio management is a centralized management of projects, programs, and sub-portfolios. Project manager is responsible for a single project management. Program manager manages multiple similar projects, while a portfolio manager is a professional who manages projects, programs, and sub-portfolios. Project Management Office is a department that defines and maintains project standards. Project Management Office Manager leads a professional team to define and maintain project standards. Organizational project management is a systematic management of projects, programs, and portfolio within an organization. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for next videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.